Hello, this is my new program that I made. I call it As the World Turns. So pretty much what this is, it's kind of a web application that takes the time from your computer, and it has a cute little image of a planet, and the color of the background also changes with the time of day. So let's take a look at the code here. So our HTML is very simple. Pretty much we have our header here, which is As the World Turns. And then in our body, we have our globe here. So this is the globe image. And here we have, this is the current time. So this is how we make the current time as well as change the background here. So it's very, very simple HTML. The JavaScript is where things get interesting. So this is the JavaScript for how we change the background. So we can see here where we have a bunch of conditions that is considered of what color the background will be. So currently the time is 12:15, so the background should be a light sky blue. But as we progress through the day, so when it gets around 6 o'clock, it's going to be turned into a dark blue. These colors are they're very interchangeable. So actually these two should be switched. I'll just do that real fast. So there we go. So in the evening here. Oh wait, no. Never mind. I totally just misread my own code. This is for the afternoon, and this is for the evening. I thought that those were reversed. Never mind. So when it becomes the afternoon, then it'll be dark blue. Evening will be orange, like the sunset, and then night will be black. So that's that. This is the clock JavaScript. And so we have, I use the date library, and we use the get hours, get minutes, get seconds, and we have AM and PM. And this is where we format the clock here. And then this is where we kind of implement it into the script there. And then this is where we call our background change. So the previous document that we just looked at, this is where we call that. So it will check the background every second. And then we call the function there. So it's a recursive function. And then this is a fade out, which I tried to implement. It doesn't really work yet, but hopefully this will be working soon. This is our CSS. So the base background color is pink. So in the morning, the background will be pink. The main feature of the CSS is this function here. I'm really proud of this function because we're using this library keyframes. And so what this does, it actually causes the globe PNG to rotate. So that's pretty cool. And so now with all of that, let's actually look at the real, let's look at the live. So here we go. Oh, hold on. We need to go back to our HTML. There we go. We're just going to close it out. And we're going to open it back up. There we go. So this is As the World Turns. So we see that the color is dark blue because it is the afternoon. So we have our heading here, and this is our globe spinning. And another thing I'm kind of proud of is the globe will do one revolution every minute. So every 60 seconds, it will do one full revolution like a clock. And one challenging part of this was definitely getting the clock here and the world to overlap. So I had to kind of force that in the code here. And so if we go back to our background change, yeah, so that is correct. It should be dark blue. The morning, it should be light blue, and it should be dark blue. So just to show you that this does work, I'm just going to switch these two around. And look, now it's light blue. So Anyway, so this is just my little code that I made. I think it's just really cute. Of course, I would love to add some other things like being able to change um, locations or being able to make the actual heading fade out, which I tried to do here. So it'll just happen. So it'll just show up when the app is loaded, and then it will fade out, um, just to kind of show the world. Or another thing, let's see, that I said here in my README is I would like to, oh yeah, so create a dynamic background that changes constantly throughout the day. So one thing I would like to do is make a JavaScript file or some sort of file. Again, I'm not sure even how to do this, but I would like to um, increment the background according to the time of day. So, for instance, like it'll be orange and then it will kind of fade to blue and then it will fade to a darker blue and more orange for the sunset and then fade into um, black for the night. So, that's kind of what I would like to do as well. So, thank you for joining me and goodbye.